consistency is as important as the process itself. It's well known within the confectionery industry that the bottleneck in that process is simply the stoving time, the stoving cycle, and not just how long it takes, but how inconsistent that stoving cycle is as well. Inconsistency isn't something that you can allow for, or isn't something that you can plan for, because inconsistency doesn't allow you to plan, because you don't know when you have a good process and you don't know when you have a bad process. One of the things that we focus on is getting consistency within an oven. And what I mean by consistent results is consistent air temperature, consistent air humidity, consistent air speed. And as soon as you open up your process to ambient conditions that change on an hour by hour, minute by minute basis, the results that you achieve from a stoving oven changes on a minute by minute, hour by hour, day by day basis. And if you have a process that changes as frequently as the weather does outside, you can no longer plan for your processing output. Now, what we've done within the stoving process is look to achieve two things. It's an accelerated drying rate, but also a consistent drying rate. So when we achieve a 24-hour cycle time, that's every day. That's not one day, that's not a great day of the year or a bad day of the year, that's every day, because every day becomes the same. To achieve 19 hours within the stoving cycle and make a product packable in 19 hours is a great win, but that 19 hours has to be every day, because in order for you to operate the rest of your process, you need consistency in the oven cycle, you need consistency in the deposit cycle, you need consistency in your packing line as well, because that consistency guarantees output in a business. Now, that's what our ovens achieve.